This will show you how to do Westminster style division. So I have 768 divided by 4, and rather than do the division sum like that, which is like a bus stop, I'm going to do it like that, which is like an L. It's easier for when you learn long division when you're probably in year 5. So I'm going to start with by splitting 768 into individual numbers easy. So 4 into 7 goes once, remainder 3. 4 into 36 goes 9 times, and 4 into 8 goes twice. Easy peasy. Right, I'm going to make that sum slightly harder by going back and choosing 400 and 771, which I know then won't give an exact number, but will leave us with a remainder. So how many 4s in 7? There is 1, remainder 3. How many 4s in 37? There are 9, remainder 1. And how many 4s are there in 11? There are 2, remainder 3. Now that's okay, we could leave it like that. Even better, we could do 192 remainder 3, but we've been dividing it by 4. So now we have a fraction, and you should know what that is then as a decimal. Now there are times when it's not as easy to do that. So I'll show you how to get an exact decimal number every time. So let's again do 4 divided by, let's say, 795. So how many 4s in 7? There's 1, remainder 3. How many 4s are there in 39? 9, remainder 3. And how many 4s are there in 35? There are 8. And we have remainder 3. Now, when you go into the shop to buy something, say a Kit Kat, and they say 50p, it doesn't matter whether they write it as 50.0p, 50p, 50.00p. If we add a decimal point and then a 0 after it, doesn't actually change the number. It's still 795. But it then gives us somewhere for us to put our remainder. Oh, and there we go, lo and behold, we have 7 into 30, which is 7 remainder 2. If we then put another 0 there, which again doesn't affect the sum, we can say how many 4s are there in 25. Lo and behold, we have an exact number. Now, if you try certain numbers, like divided by 7 or divided by 9, you'll go on forever. So only ever do it to 2 decimal places.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.